Hi guys, we're at the Lincoln Central level crossing the Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Here we go.
Yeah, I know. Thank God for that.
Now, the time is 12 o'clock, and this is for... We're done a bit early, but this is for the 12:05, 2 Kilo 38 East Midlands train service from Peterborough. Hang on a minute. Oh. From Peterborough, so it won't pass the crossing, so I don't know what this is for actually. This is for the 12:06 from Scunthorpe. Yeah, it must be the 12:06 from Scunthorpe, 2:63 Northern service from Scunthorpe. Yes, expect arrival is 12:03, so we're down for this one. This is Northern. One 44001 from Scunthorpe. One 44001 from Scunthorpe. And Brayford's gone up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.